Yeah. Look at that bad boy, shit. What's good, man?
I'm good, bro.
How's it going? Yeah, good. Well done.
Any 3 minors?
Congrats. That's not bad. That's alright. 3 minors is alright. That's not bad.
Can I get in, please? Oh, Tom, we got tissues ready for when we fuck. You got enough space?
That's good, G.
Yeah. Go on. She doesn't look official. That's fake. No, actually no, that'll be doctor. That won't be like bomb disposal. Doctor. That'll be
Bomb disposal.
Yeah, bomb disposal. That'll be CID. What's that? Paramedic. Crime investigation detective.
Go for like
no, sorry, not ultra.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Round 2, baby.
Round 2.
Found it. Looks fucking clean.
We cleaned it last week.
Oh shit. It is a bit tight.
Yeah.
That is a bit tight again.
It's tight for me, so.
I mean,
You fit in it before.
yeah, I did. I fit in your one, didn't I? Oh no.
Oh no. Imagine you don't. Oh!
You muppet, lad.
Oh shit.
You almost shit his pants then.
I actually did. I was kind of worried then.
Yeah, I bet you were getting like, not another fucking car that you can't fit in.
Definitely the difference.
Oh.
That's better.
Oh, that's better.
You muppet.
That's quite a lot better.
Absolute
By the
muppet.
Lord, okay.
If you really leave it and you really run out your gears, it's so fucking quick.
Well, he's got one as well.
Does he?
Yeah.
Do you love it?
They're loads of fun.
Yeah, I know.
How come you're selling it?
I wasn't going to get into uni, and then I got the better grades going to uni, so I don't really need
Oh,
it
that's fair
anymore.
enough. Yeah.
So I literally had it like a
Good
month
on
and a
you.
half, like that's
Really?
it, yeah.
Good on you.
I had a good month and a half though, it's been fucking fun.
Yeah. Difference in intake and intake.
Go right ahead, you do you and just simple. But don't come crying to me when you enter. Worse than you were off before, it is more. But I just can't help myself, I got to.
I'm in the manual.
Yeah.
Just getting sure that we go out and fuel up.
Yeah, absolutely.
Cheers for that, appreciate that.
That's alright.
Yeah. Same as Jordan's. Jordan's got a massive wing on it.
Yeah, it was quite a loud noise, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now